Hi and welcome to Fast Track to Fitness. We are at Energia's Lux Fitness today, and from today's episode we are starting a whole new series in Fast Track to Fitness which concentrates on women's issues. And today we are going to start this episode with Aditya.
Hi.
Hi. So Aditya, I wear heels all the time whenever I go out somewhere, and recently I've started to experience some lower back pain. Can you explain to me why this is?
Yeah, generally, girls are very attracted to high heels. So, if I ask you to stop wearing heels, would you stop? No. So what happens, like, there are lots of stiffness and weakness will happen when people who wears high heels. So basically, what happens is certain muscles will go for stiffness and certain muscles will go for weakness. What we call it as is called lordosis. So you need to do a postural correction for that particular, what posture thing. So definitely you will get rid of back pain.
So you said some term called lordosis. Can you explain it to me in common man's English?
Okay, lordosis is nothing but it's a postural imbalance where you will start developing excessive inverted curve on your lower back. There will be two major muscles which will be under stiffness when you wear high heels. One is your hip flexors, because when you wear heels, your heel is raised and your pelvis is tilted anteriorly. So all these muscles are becoming stiff, all the anterior muscles. So basically one major muscle you have to stretch, and if you see your lower back is developed arch, so you have to do a lower back stretch as well. So you have to do two basic stretches. So one will be hip flexor. Okay, hip flexor will be in stiffness. So you have to first kneel and then keep your one leg forward, look ahead and try to slide your knee forward, okay, and to the maximum point, and hold here for 15 seconds. So you can feel a good stretch over here, okay. So hold here for 15 seconds and come back and repeat it to the other side also. You have to stretch both the sides about 15 seconds of 2 times. And then your lower back, you have to lie down on your back, supine lying position, and then both the knees to both the chest, hug it, and then slowly pull your knees towards your chest and hold here for 15 seconds.